Hello, and welcome to Thrively. Thrively was founded on the core philosophy that every child has a genius and they deserve to thrive. We do this by identifying strengths, supporting well-being, and instilling hope. Our mission is to bring a paradigm shift into education through asset-based learning. With a strengths-based approach, every community is valuable. Every person has strengths and potential. A digital portfolio is a personalized space where students can showcase who they are, highlighting their strengths, interests, aspirations, and achievements. It's more than a collection of work. It's a living reflection of their growth, goals, and individuality. Your digital portfolio empowers you to tell your story in your own voice. It helps others see what makes you unique, and it builds confidence by focusing on what's strong, not what's wrong. Whether you're sharing with teachers, peers, or even your family, your portfolio is a powerful tool to reflect on your journey and celebrate your progress. Today, we're going to be learning how to personalize your digital portfolio. We'll start on your dashboard and head to the digital portfolio section. The first time you open your portfolio, you'll see a simple starting point, but that's the exciting part. This is your space to bring to life with your personality, strengths, and dreams. You'll begin by adding a bold statement about who you are. Your portfolio will highlight your interests, aspirations, strengths, and experiences. This introductory statement is a dream statement expressing who you are and what you want to be. Simply click Make a Statement to begin typing. Now that we've completed our bold statement, we can personalize our portfolio even further by adding media. Here, you can upload an image, a video, a presentation, or a PDF. You can upload a file from your Chromebook, a URL, or even take a new photo. Once you have a file that you want, you're simply going to click Save. Your image or video, whatever you've selected, should pop up immediately on your portfolio. As you can see, this gives me the option to add additional items, or you can come back later. If I want to edit my media at any time, I can always come in, make adjustments, or even delete my images. I can do the same thing for interests and aspirations because these may change. I simply edit and add what I want and press save, and they should automatically update. If you want to edit your media at any time, you can always come in, make adjustments, or even delete your images. You can do the same thing for interests and aspirations because these may change. You simply edit and add what you want and press save, and they should automatically update. Now that you know how to personalize your portfolio, go make something that shows off you. We want you to celebrate every aspect of who you are and what makes you unique. Your digital portfolio is your space to showcase your strengths, interests, and aspirations. Have fun creating something that truly represents you.